Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Toyota Camry with cardboard. First, gather your essential materials like large, sturdy cardboard sheets and a sharp utility knife. You'll also need a reliable cutting mat to protect your work surface. Make sure to print out accurate Toyota Camry blueprints or templates to guide your design. Don't forget strong adhesive, a ruler, and a pencil for marking. Having these items ready will ensure a smooth start to your project. Now it's time to bring your Camry to life by cutting and shaping the cardboard. Carefully cut out all the body panels, such as the sides, roof, and hood, following your printed templates. A sharp utility knife or box cutter is crucial for clean edges. Use a scoring tool to create crisp folds and gentle curves, especially for areas like the fenders. Begin shaping the main chassis and any interior components you plan to include. With your pieces cut, it's time for assembly. Securely glue all the cardboard panels together, starting with the main body and chassis. Hot glue works well for a strong, fast bond. Next, add details like windows, which can be cut out or drawn on, and wheels. You can make wheels from layered cardboard circles. Remember to reinforce critical areas like the axles or stress points to ensure your cardboard Camry is sturdy and holds its shape. Now for the exciting final touches. You can paint your cardboard Camry to give it a realistic finish, choosing colors that match a real Toyota. Consider adding small interior accessories or even tiny cardboard wheels for extra detail. Reinforce any areas that feel weak to ensure your model lasts. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice. Check the description for a link to this and other great deals to enhance your space. Your miniature Camry is now ready for display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.